profile review process. Method for guiding detours and alterations away from previous arrangements and into newly formed directions relative to offset occurrences and specifics into generating contours. Subsequently, modeling dynamic used as a rerouting measure in the event of changes and curves among assigned outpatient projection setups. The construction of guidance formed by way of acceptance, awareness, and allowances for drawing beyond stumbling blocks. Precautionary divide for regulating maintenance among shift changes. Stipulation revolved around turnpikes, reinventions, and special arrangements for safeguarding against abruptions among severe confusion and complicated threats. A halt of inclinations leading into partial and downward performances and outpowered foresight. A pull away from stronghold grasp, awkward placements, and misleading grounds. In order to direct leadway 1 towards sought relief, 2 among investigation research performances, and 3 into adequate interpretations, formed by way of order conveyed under the system's RUA, or Rapid Underlining Approach Method, which conveys swift movements into rapid underlinings among ongoing courses of actions. Structured patterns must systematically frame and contour based on ongoing demands and sequestered input framed under this draw. Unlike many of the other setups, programs, and processes developed under LSKTC&R, CGNM Care Services Evaluation Response Phase Segment Assignment, Compliance Attempt Processing Interface Exchange Pools, the Deterred Compilation Process Review Method carries no selective grounding into withholding. Processing sways by way of demands built around sudden impulses, which allows contained data to therefore sequence knowledge and acknowledgments based on formed awareness for drawing beyond circumstantial endeavors. Timing framed under this draw varies and solely depends on the situational circumstance presented beforehand. Contact allowances are ongoing and falls under a when needed and an asked to basis for accessing the quorum, care of the initiation of consultation alerts, and feedback as described under the system's emergency response examination assignment. Profile review.